Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today was day 2 as a computer science student. So today was not a very happening day. Today was Sunday, so off from college and off from workout. Today was a rest day as the gym is also off, to which the gym to which I go is usually off on Sundays. So off from the gym and off from college. Apart from that, I had to go grocery shopping, and me and my flatmates actually had to get some stuff for the kitchen. So we went for a bit of shopping, had a meal outside, and as for some learning, I worked a bit more on web development. I revised a bit of JavaScript, mostly up till functions and objects and all that. I created a rock paper scissor game a few months back. I revised it, and apart from that, I started a bit of document object model, but I haven't completed it. I hope to complete it tomorrow. And I also learned how you can initialize a Node.js project using the terminal, and a bit about the package.json file, actually what it is, what it does. It's basically kind of an instruction manual for your Node.js project. Identity card which tells a lots of things about your project, like the scripts about the project, the name of the project, whatever. So I learned a bit about that. Initializing a Node.js project using the Node package manager. So a bit of that. I also worked a bit of Java. uh, as I told you guys yesterday that I was watching this lecture from Kunal Kushwa, and finally I started the programming lectures. The first lecture was mostly architecture and installation, so I started the first program lecture. But the thing is that he's writing all his code in this IDE IntelliJ, whatever the pronunciation is. I have written a bit of code. Whatever code I've written up till now, it has always been in Visual Studio Code, and he's really moving quick, and it's a bit difficult to understand. He quickly switches between the terminal and the IntelliJ IDE. So I'm trying to cope, but I think I might switch a course. I also have access to a paid course from this Apna college thing. My friend has it, so I might try that if I feel like it's still going to be Java plus TSA. I don't really want to dwell on courses very long if I don't have to. Just in data structures, I just want to start solving, to be able to solve good questions, and in web development, I want to be able to make good projects. That's as long as I'm going to be watching lectures. Otherwise, there's this thing really trending on Twitter nowadays. People call it tutorial hell. Like you're constantly watching lectures, not really able to solve questions, and that's really bad. That sounds very bad, and I don't want to get stuck in it. So let's see. uh, Good night.